Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video we're renovating our kitchen. If you've seen a few videos before, we did start the front room, haven't finished the front room, and I'll start the kitchen. So yeah, we are redoing the tiles, we are fabloning the cupboards, we're painting the walls, we're doing the floor, we're doing it all, and we are doing it all on a budget and ourselves.
First time I've tiled ever in my life. This is why I don't recommend one of these, so you can chip your tile.
Oh, careful.
Luckily it's in the corner. Tiny. But what I'm doing is I grouted that bit last night just to do a tester, and to be fair it's come out quite nice. So as I was saying, just getting all the adhesive with the tiles. That's what I grouted last night. I left a little bit of adhesive in this middle, and you can see it through the black. Well, that's the same, isn't it? She'll kill me if she sees me using that.
This is the end process of jacketing the tiles. We're just starting to put in new sockets, which is good. The state of the sink. So yeah, we have started doing that. We've started fablon in. This was done a few weeks back, but we need to clean it because we've got grout everywhere. So yeah, I am just taking off the doors now. I'm cleaning out as I go. So I'm sort of cleaning out the cupboards, getting rid of rubbish, and trying to keep it all together and not go insane. So yeah, I will show you the process of the fablon. I'm just about to fablon this. It's maybe a little bit of a boring video for some, but I love watching renovations on YouTube, and I just love watching them sort of cleaning, renovations, anything to do with DIY and stuff you can do yourself, and I'm not focused at all. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy it. Obviously if it's boring, don't watch it, but I hope you learn some tips and tricks and learn that you can have a nice kitchen without having to spend a lot. So as you can see, the tiles we had before were the typical council tiles. So these horrible, horrible tiles. And these tiles, they were $5.75 for a pack of 25. So they're actually pretty cheap considering. And then we just got some black grout that you can mix up. I mean, if you look closer, you can see some of the lines aren't perfect, but considering me and Jack aren't professional tilers, I think we've done pretty well. But this is it with fablon on. Pretty good. I prefer fablon to paint. It's easily wipeable and it's a lot easier to put on. Yeah, I'll show you the kitchen update while we're here because... Who got it?
Oh yeah,
oh. What have you got, monkey? A toilet roll tube. And this is the after. So we're halfway there, just excuse this date plate. We've got the floor in to go, tiles that side, painting the inside of the cupboards. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!